Have you noticed that sometimes Google Translate sounds better when speaking? Do you know there is a setting that controls this? Google Translate has an option called Prefer Networks Text-to-Speech. It allows your phone to use higher quality voices when internet is available. Let me show you how to enable it and explain what it does. To enable Prefer Network Text-to-Speech, open Google Translate. Tap the profile icon at the top right, then tap setting, tap data usage. Now enable or disable prefer networks text to speech. When this option is on, your phone uses high quality online voices where the pronunciation sounds more natural but internet connection is required. When this option is off, your phone uses offline text-to-speech where voice quality might sound simpler, but it can work without internet. So, given to its function, this option is useful if you often use voice translation and want better sound quality. If you are online most of the time, turning it on gives a better experience. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.